previously recorded.
Alright, y'all, here go the food. Everybody here enjoying themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Somebody ain't gonna be able to move in a minute, cause no
Got our
blame, no
soap in the
blame.
middle.
Okay.
They got their butter. What y'all think about the food, y'all?
It's good. It's awesome.
What y'all think about the butter? Because they know I just throw something together just then.
You know what? It really is good.
You think it tastes better than the other one?
Hey, don't make me laugh.
So, yeah. We got mama over here. Y'all know how the crew, honey. That's my mama right there, y'all. Grandma sitting over here. Grandma gonna tell them, hey.
Hey, y'all.
So, here go. Y'all already know who that is. That's Angela. Mom Angie. My mother-in-law, for those of you that don't know. Then, okay, so over here what we got is some mussels, some jumbo shrimp, some large shrimp, some corn, some sausage. We got some red potatoes. I got my butter for the butter sauce, but I'm not going to be making my butter sauce. Alright, so now I'm about to check these potatoes. See how tender they done got. We want them to be pork tender. Pork tender. Oh yes, they done already. Child, honey. Okay, so let me get these on up out of here. This is the pan. Y'all see that? And I'm about to get them they butter.
Who's that lady
They go.
by you?
That's me, Grandma. They go, Grandma, y'all.
Huh?
I told them there you go.
Hey there, y'all.
Hmm.
With my house sprinkling up, and I combed it, but it won't stay down. It's so good, it won't stay down.
Grandma told them we was taking us a trip to the living room today.
Huh?
I said, I told you we was taking us a field trip to the living room.
Oh, yeah.
Get out that room.
I done took me a trip. First, I took me a trip in the kitchen.
Got you a good shower.
Huh?
Got you a good shower.
Yeah. And come clean up the kitchen. I went in the room and I saw something on the bed. I said, I'm going what chair at.
Lord,
So we supposed to have been moving in the living room. I'm not getting here anyway.
Yeah. Grandma.
So you be wanting us out.
Grandma.
You know I saw the tell him when he talking about you want to move your back over Nino and stay over there. If I thought I was gonna start telling about him, no, I wouldn't.
And why you ain't tell him about it, sir?
I was gonna tell him if I leave here and leave Tiana and go over there and stay with my grandchildren, who gonna wash the dishes?
He sure like, you know he ain't gonna wash them. I'll be washing them.
Yeah, you have to cook and wash too.
Hey, already doing it. So Grandma said you just laid up on the chair, honey. You ain't do you no good to come in the living room. You might as well just stayed on in the bed.
That's right.
At least I did get out that bed though. You know.
That's right.
Got out the bed. I fell asleep for I know that. So that's Grandma, y'all. I was gonna bring y'all in here to see Grandma. Well, wait on Grandma to come in here so y'all can see her. Grandma had done took her little time, child. I don't think she wanted to come. Grandma, you ain't want to come in here?
Oh yeah, I was coming in here.
You was coming.
I had to sit down on the foot of the bed for a while.
Get you a rest.
Yeah, my back was hurting. I had to sit down and rest it.